What's up, y'all? It's your girl Lazyeye, and I'm back with another one. I feel like it's been forever since I've recorded because I pre-filmed a ton of videos for you guys. So it's like, wow, I'm actually sitting down filming a video, you know? So I told you guys I was totally coming back to do the Blushing Berries Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette, and I'm back, baby. I'm back. And what can I say? I love Dose of Color. I almost just dropped this. It would have been so sad. I love these eyeshadows. They're right up my alley. I love warm colors, cranberry colors, love them to death. And it's just like, they're so easy to work with. Like, you ain't even gotta be struggling. You ain't gotta struggle with this palette. Struggle where? I'm really enjoying it. The look came out super bomb. You guys, there's a demo at the end, so you guys can check that out. But what can I say? This palette is lit. The Sassy Siennas is lit. The Blushing Berries is lit. Now, they do have two other palettes. It's like the Brownie Browns in the Magical Girl, I don't know. But they got two other palettes. I don't like those palettes because they have too many light colors, and they will look really ashy on my skin. But this one, Blushing Berries and Sassy Siennas, if you do not have them, I'm judging you. I'm so judging you. They're at Ulta. You can use your points, y'all. No Ulta stay having sales. Pick it up, bro. It's Lazyeye approved. Pick it up. I had a really fun time shooting the demo, so definitely stay tuned for that. But yes, I really like this. And I think for beginners, because I still consider myself a beginner, even though people are like, oh my gosh, Sabrina, your eyeshadow is so good. I'm like, girl, I'm nowhere near where I need to be. Y'all see I got my nails done? Dragon Lady is back. But I'm nowhere near where I need to be. And these really help me, like, place a crease color, a color a little bit above the crease, an outer V color, and then come in with my lip topper. But can we talk about, it's a video coming on these, honey. This is what's on my lid, and it is lit. It is lit. But yes, I mean, Dose of Colors, like, I kind of want to go pick up the other two palettes just because I'm kind of obsessed with having full collections. So I'm on a no-buy for the next 3 months. So when I come off that no-buy, I mean, it's very possible that Sabrina might go pick those up. But it has my seal of approval. Stay tuned. I have swatches. And I have a demo, well, actually a whole get ready with me, but it is a demo because, you know, I tried out a new foundation. Where is it? It ain't new, but it's new to me, and I think I like it, and I think it was only $9 or $8 at Walmart. Okay, girl. This is the one you see me pick up in the vlog. The vlog should already be up. So, yeah, you guys, this is the look. Everything on this face will be in the description box below. Don't fret. Do not fret. It'll be down below. Y'all, thank you so much for the support, the comments. I see everything. I try to stay on top. I make sure I try to respond to everybody. Y'all just been so wonderful. And I will have a video up tomorrow. Today is the 30th. So I will have a video up on the 3rd. You know what, lies, this video is going up on the 31st because my vlog got posted today, which is the 30th. I just want to take the time to say Happy New Year's to you guys. I'm looking forward of going into the new year with this channel. Lots of new material. Get into some different things. You know, we're gonna try some different things, honey. Okay. Thank you so much for rocking with your girl. You guys are super sweet in your comments. I've been loving checking out your channels. It gives me ideas on how to edit and better my channel. Let's Be Real, okay? Hunty, if you're watching, I was watching your video while I was getting ready. I'm gonna link her channel down below. Go follow her. Like, she's someone who found my channel and I subscribe back to her. She is so funny to me. Like, she thinks she's like geeky or nerdy, but she's so cute to me. And I just support gang. Her channel will be listed down below. That's what I do when I do my get ready with me's and I'm filming like voiceovers or anything that has just like me getting ready. I watch other YouTubers, and Let's Be Real K, because it's literally Let's Be Real, comma K with a question mark. Go check her out, okay? Go check her out. But yes, y'all, thank you so much for tuning in. Happy New Year's, and stay tuned for the swatches and demos.